a store which started back in May. Now it's October, so in the space of 5 months, this store is now nearly doing £10,000 a month in sales, and they started off by selling cheaper products. And then now that they've got a really well-established store, they're going to start building in higher products, higher price products into their store and making even more profits. And he also gets over 25% profit. That's after all expenses. You start off by selling these low-priced items that have a high volume of sales. So they don't sell 4 or 5 times a month. They don't sell 5, 10 times a month. They sell multiple times on a daily basis. That means that you are going to get a good conversion on your eBay store. A conversion basically means is if 100 people click onto your eBay store or eBay product, sorry, and then 1 person buys it, guess what? That's a 1% conversion rate. But if 100 people click on it and 10 people buy it, that gives you a 10% conversion rate. So this is why this helps build up your conversion rate on eBay. And when you got 5, 10, 15, 20 products like that are selling multiple times on a daily basis, then guess what? eBay thinks, whoa, this is a great store. They've actually doing a lot of sales. They've got a good conversion rate. And when they start launching in the higher priced products, eBay will take their previous sales history and rank this brand new product as well. He's got 65 active listings on his store. And in the last 30 days, as you can see, he's done over 2,200 sales. 2,204 sales divided by 30 days. He's actually doing 73 sales on a daily basis. He's doing a return on investment of over 25%. So let's just assume it's 25%. So £7,778 times 0.25. So he's making nearly £2,000 a month in profit. Now there's people out there who are not making nowhere close to that, and they don't want to sell these cheaper products because they think they're too good for it. Look at this. This one here sold 178 times in the last 30 days. These are just some hairbands that people wear in the shower. Look at this one, 166 times in the last 30 days. These are some eyelash extension straps. He's making multiple sales on a daily basis, and his conversion rate is absolutely fantastic. Sell-through rate is 3,300% from 65 active listings. In the last 30 days, he's done 2,200 sales. If you want to start learning how to start a wholesale business on eBay, just like him, go and download the free course. It's the first link in the description of this video. Go ahead and get it. It's a free course, absolutely available for anyone. So the way you want to launch your products is basically you want to start off selling it low, and then you slowly put your prices up in increments, and then you do it one at a time with every single product. Now he's got 65 active listings, and it does take time. Look, it took him 5 months to get there, and it also does depend on how much you got to invest to start off with. If you've got a smaller amount, then obviously it's going to take you longer. But if you've got more to invest, he started on eBay, I think it was initially with a $2,000 investment. And every time he made a profit, he just kept reinvesting his profit and then adding a little bit more and then adding more products, restocking his good sellers and just adding more and more products. So he started off with 2,000. I think there's another guy who I'll show you actually. 13 active listings. He's done over £3,000 in sales in the last 30 days. His conversion rate is 8,000, which is absolutely fantastic. He's followed the exact same strategy from our mentorship. This is another mentorship student. This product here sold 235 times in the last 30 days, 150 times, 120 times. He's doing absolutely fantastic. And basically, you launch the products, these products that sell multiple times on a daily basis. This is going to rank your store. It's going to give you more authority on eBay. And then you can start bringing in the higher priced items onto your store. And then with these higher priced items, eBay will look at your previous sales history and they'll rank these higher priced items as well. Then you can start launching the products that get you the $5 profit, £5 profit per sale, £10 profit per sale. But bearing in mind, you are going to need to invest a little bit more. I know many of you guys who watch my videos probably might come back from the drop shipping scene, eBay drop shipping scene. And I've made a video explaining how eBay drop shipping is dead. If you click on the video that you see on the screen right now, I give you a full explanation of why eBay drop shipping is dead. And you should really be looking on considering doing a wholesale business on eBay. It's the best way to get a long-term business model, great profit margins. Overall, it's really the way that you should be selling on eBay anyway.